From AI-powered cameras to biometric locks, smart home security is undergoing a technological revolution. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends shaping home protection, the innovations making security smarter and safer, and the challenges we still face. AI-powered surveillance systems are leading the way. These smart cameras can now distinguish between family members, pets, and intruders using advanced facial recognition. Features like motion detection ensure you're alerted to unusual activities instantly, reducing false alarms. Brands like Google Nest and Arlo have integrated AI into their systems, offering features like person detection and even predicting potential threats based on movement patterns. These cameras can sync with voice assistants like Alexa, creating a seamless home defense network. Next up, DIY security systems. These security systems have made professional-grade protection accessible to everyone. Companies like Ring, SimpliSafe, and Wise offer affordable kits that are easy to install and customize. These systems are perfect for renters or homeowners who want flexibility without long-term contracts. Their user-friendly apps allow you to control your home security from anywhere, whether you're at the office or on vacation. In this digital world, everything is prone to cyber threat, and with every connected device comes a potential vulnerability. That's why cybersecurity for smart homes is more important than ever. These new devices come with built-in firewalls and advanced encryption methods to protect against hacking attempts. Companies are also implementing multi-factor authentication for access, ensuring only authorized users can control your devices. Imagine controlling your entire home through one app. IoT integration is making that possible. Platforms like Samsung SmartThings, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home offer ecosystems where all devices, from locks to lights, communicate seamlessly. This connectivity enables automation, like locking doors and turning off lights at night with a single command. IoT integration not only simplifies control, but also enhances security by linking all devices into a unified network. Biometric technology is taking smart home security to the next level. Fingerprint scanners and facial recognition locks are becoming more common, offering a level of personalization and security that keys and codes can't match. Voice recognition systems are also on the rise, allowing you to control access and even activate security systems using just your voice. Video doorbells like Ring and Eufy are becoming must-haves. These devices let you see and speak with visitors in real time, no matter where you are.
Smart home security is more than just tech. It's about protecting what matters the most. With innovations in AI, biometrics, and IoT integration, the future is going to be safer and more connected than ever. Which trend excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates in the evolving technology.